I'm going to show you in this video how to get your 4,000 watch hour within 3 days. Yes, you heard me right, within 3 days. If your aim is to be invited into the YouTube monetization program, this video is for you. If you have been struggling to complete your 4,000 watch hour, worry no more, because at the end of this video, you will be able to generate your 4,000 watch hour within 3 days. Yes, you are watching me from a small monetized channel with less than 2,000 subscribers, and I was able to generate my 4,000 watch hour. So this method is a new method and it has been working. This is a game changer. It is a hot deal, so you do not want to miss this. In fact, if you know any creator that have been struggling to accumulate their 4,000 watch hour, please share this video to them, tag them to this video, so that they can actually do what? Complete their 4,000 watch hour and be monetized here on YouTube. A lot of creators have completed their subscribers, but they are finding it very difficult to complete their 4,000 watch hour, and they go ahead trying to manipulate their 4,000 watch hour. But what they don't know is this: if you manipulate your watch hour here on YouTube, you will end up getting this watch hour, but you won't be monetized. You'll be kicked out of the YouTube monetization program. Please do not risk your channel by trying to manipulate your 4,000 watch hour. Now, without wasting much time, let me show you how this method works. All right, so you know how we do it. Before we go into this practical aspect, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification, and share this video. And don't forget to genuinely support a creator here. You are going to go under the comment section, pick a creator here, subscribe to his or her channel. So we are going to be doing this method using our YouTube Studio dashboard. All right, as usual, you log into your YouTube Studio dashboard. You already know how to do that. All right, now open your Chrome browser and open your browser, either Safari or your Chrome browser, and type YouTube Studio. Then click on sign in, and then you're going to sign in with your YouTube email and password. Then click on continue to studio. Okay, and then it will bring you to your studio dashboard. Then look this side, by your left this side, you will see this very icon here. Then click on this icon. You're going to see this icon. Click on it. Please just follow this video step by step. When you click on this icon, it will bring you to this interface where you see welcome to YouTube live control room. All right, you will see the first option there and the second one. Now click on the second option, which says schedule stream. Click on later, which is the second option there. Please follow this video step by step. All right, click on the second option. It will bring you to this interface where you see another first and second option. Then click on the second option again, which is streaming software. Click on it. Then it will bring you to this interface where you see stream, webcam, and manage. Please, you click on this stream. All right, then it will bring you to this interface where you see screen setting. Now in this place where they wrote stream setting, you are supposed to see stream key. To some people, you might see stream key. Now if yours is showing stream setting instead of stream key, this is what you do. Open another tab, okay, and then go to your either App Store or Play Store. If you are using an iPhone, you will see App Store, but if it's Android phone, Play Store. Now you're going to type this live now. All right, type live now. Yes, now when you type live now, when it opens this way, then you click on this one, the first option there, which is live now live stream. Tap open. Okay, open it. All right, now when you open it, it will bring you to this interface. Okay, now click on YouTube, because we're actually here for YouTube. Now the good thing is that you can actually use this method to get your views in other apps, you understand, but because we're actually here for YouTube, you're going to click on YouTube. Now it's going to bring you to this other part. You see, we're actually looking for this stream with stream key. All right, now please guys, watch these videos step by step. Do not miss any part. That is if you are serious about getting your 4,000 watch hour here on YouTube. Please, this method is 100% guarantee. It works like magic. That is why ensure you do not skip any part. Please watch this video to the end and follow this method, and believe me, you are definitely going to get your 4,000 watch hour. Now click on the first option, which is login to YouTube. Click on continue, because it wants to log you into your YouTube. All right, now you're going to click on continue, then choose your email, your YouTube email, the email that you normally use to sign into your YouTube. Do you understand? That is the same email that you're going to choose here. All right, now when you choose the email, okay, and then you click on authorize, because they're asking you if you authorize them to go to your YouTube. Do you understand? So you just choose authorize, you say yes, which is when you say authorize, it means that you are giving them permission. So go ahead and click on authorize. All right, then click on continue again. Do you understand? They are still asking you that, okay, live now wants to go to your YouTube, that do you permit them? Do you understand? So you say continue. When you say continue, it means yes, continue. Then keep on saying, then this other one you are saying continue again. They're just making sure to know that, okay, yes, you are the one giving them permission. Say continue here. All right, now it will bring it to this interface. Do you understand? Where you see this your account. Again, you click on this create event. Yes, when it brings you to this interface where you will now see your page, your account, you're going to click on this create events. Look down. Do you understand? Look down at the bottom, you will see create events. Now click on this create events. It will now take you to this interface. All right, guys, just calm down, please follow this video step by step. Now this create events, you understand, okay, you want to use your video to go live. Yes, any of your interesting video. Do you understand? So you are going to come here to title the video. Please ensure it is your own video. Do you understand? It is your own video. You know, I like doing my things in a legit way, so let it be your video. Okay, after that, after titling the video, make sure it's on public. Put it on public. Okay, it will bring you to this interface where you see this stream camera, stream broadcast, video file. All right, you're going to click on video file to bring in your video they have recorded that is in your gallery. Do you understand? So you are going to click on next, and then it will take you to your gallery. Then choose that your video, any of your video. Okay, so you want to live stream, but this time you are using your video. Do you understand? Now pick your video and then now click on choose. Guys, I will just beg you, please do not for any reason, you understand, skip this video. Apply this. All right, when you click on choose, you click on next, then this is how your video will look. All right, one more important thing, you see this this three icon here. There are three icons there. Make sure that that one is on red, this very one is on red, don't put it on white. Okay, and then you click on this start now. Do you understand? With this now your video will be playing, and you don't need to sit on the camera. You understand? You don't need to be showing your face. You can just do it like this and be doing whatever you are doing. Leave it will be playing on its own. You can put it on repeat, let it be repeating itself. That is why I say that red icon means if you want it to be playing over and over again. Just make sure that it's an interesting video. Do you understand? People will keep watching, keep streaming, and then with this you are accumulating your watch hour. This is the method that people have been using, and this was the method I used to get my own 4,000 watch hour. Try this and come back in the next 1 week to tell me if it worked or not. So don't forget to click on start now so you can start streaming.